Should you have business or job for more retirement fund? Are you someone who's been planning a world trip after retirement since the day you started to earn money? For that purpose, have you ever wondered in terms of retirement whether having a job is better than having your own business? Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is based on an in-depth research and is for educational purposes. It's not advice. Please consult your company and financial advisors to know exactly about your pension and business options, respectively. Either savings or a pension are the two means that can be adjusted to live an ideal life after retirement. But at this point, as the savings cannot be increased, instead they can only be spent, pension looks like a better deal. But is your pension enough for you after retirement? When people know they're going to get a pension, they don't even save for their retirement. We know that a pension is always less compared to a salary. The people who end up getting very less money in the form of a pension as compared to their salary are thus forced to decrease their expenses, which turns out to be a huge problem to having a pleasant lifestyle. But if the pension is a lot, it can be enough for some. So how to know if your pension is enough? The answer to the question of whether your pension is enough for you or not lies in different factors that vary with different individuals. You need to know how much your pension is going to be. This can be figured out with your company's assistance. Each company gives a different pension. A typical estimation can be calculated as, if you work 30 years and your final average salary is $75,000, then your pension should be 30 times 2% times $75,000, which equals to $45,000 a year. That $45,000 becomes your guaranteed lifetime income. What is your financial state? Do you have debts to pay? Is your home paid off? If your financial state is wobbly and you have many debts to pay, then a pension alone is not enough for you. The weak financial conditions also point out that with salary, if you are facing difficulty, then after retirement, things will get even worse. What lifestyle are you looking for after retirement? Many people want to enjoy their life after retirement, and if you're also one of those people, you must know that it will cost a lot. Planning a world trip with merely your pension money is not going to happen at all. There is a single expected way to make life possible after retirement, which is you will have to cut off a large portion of your expenses. It can cancel the travel trips you have been planning and make you spend less on clothes. In short, you will have to mold your lifestyle to match the amount of money you're getting in the form of a pension. And is your pension safe? Most companies do not sustain pension plans as they did in the past. Unfortunately, those companies reduce the share of pension money gradually. If your company is a member of a Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation, or PBGC, then your pension is safe. But in the end, you need to calculate the expenses for your entire month. If your expenses are more than what you're getting as a pension, then you're going to face a lot of difficulties. Your pension must be a bit more than your expected expenses. Now you must be clear that a pension alone after retirement is not quite enough to live an ideal life. So let's talk about savings. Who saves better for retirement, the people with their own business or the people who have their job? For this, we need to consider a business owner and his employees. The business owner is the one who will have no pension after his retirement, and his employees are those who will get a pension. Every employee saves a percentage of their wage with 401k. The employee who will get a pension cannot increase or decrease the money he's saving. But on the other hand, the owner of the company doesn't necessarily have a 401k. He can save his money by any means. He has the liberty to invest it, and that's what most business owners do. This means if he calculates that he needs $100,000 after retirement, then he has the liberty to use his income for investing and get the targeted amount, while the employee will get what was decided. They cannot get to the estimated amount, even if they want via 401k. By all means, the business owner is at profit. How? Firstly, as he is the business owner and the employees work under him, which means he is surely getting more income than a single employee, he has more money that can be either saved or invested. Another factor which proves that a businessman will get more to save is that he's familiar with business and investment. If any employee wants to invest his saved money, then because of being inexperienced, he will not make the same money as the experienced person can make. While a business owner who's in the field knows more about investment, he knows where, when, and how to invest. This shows that the employee doesn't have as many options as the business owner gets. So most of the employees only have saved money, while the business owner has invested the saved money. In the end, when both the employees and the business owners will retire, the business owner will have more money saved than the employee. Ultimately, the people who have their own businesses are making better money for retirement as compared to the people who don't have their own businesses. Well, now you know what will be better when it comes to retirement. If you are someone who wants to start a business, then for sure after retirement you will be at a profit. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this, press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified. So until the next video, take care and stay tuned.